Okay, the mounting bases. So what makes Nightlux unique and standalone from other manufacturers is that this one single light, and this goes for all the spotlights in the range, can be fitted with various mounting bases. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them here. Because these lights are IP68, again, it means that any one of our spotlights can be put in the water and become a water mounted spotlight. So you haven't got to buy a specific spotlight for pool lighting, for example. So we know the actual spike itself, that comes with your light in the box, and it simply clicks on, hammer proof, so you can drive this into the ground with a hammer. Now, obviously, if you're still in a planting bed but the soil might only be about 100 mil deep, then we also do a mounting base. You might have an area of concrete underneath that soil where you can't physically drive this spike in. We would then use a mounting base. And same thing again, clicks on, and your mounting base gives you a nice stable platform for your light fitting. You can actually use this on the wall as well if you wish. Pergolas, if you wanted to project down, and there's 3 screw holes already pre-drilled in this for that. It's also got a slight weight on it as well. So that's the mounting base. If you are going to be putting your spotlight in water, then we also do this. This is a weighted base. As you can see, it's got a few holes drilled in it. It's got a weight on the back, and you can also fix it with these fixing screws if you wish. Same thing again, simply clicks on, goes in the water, gives you a very stable base. We also do a 200mm extension piece that you can put onto this, and it just would increase the height of the light fitting above the base, which is quite useful in deep pools. Now, the other 2 fixings that we do actually just a wall mount. This is very simply a washer with a hole. You would screw that onto the wall, and this light would then slip on and click onto that washer. Now, you can use it in the horizontal position if you wish, if you was fixing these onto a timber sleeper, or if you was fixing these onto a wall, then obviously you would screw that onto the wall, and this light fitting would then clip on, and you've then got your light fitted in a wall mount position. The final one, which is quite useful, we call this a tree bracket, but quite often we will put these lights up just above the lower canopy of a tree. We will sit this on a branch, clip this on, and actually light down through the lower canopy of leaves, and we call it moonlighting. It gives a really nice effect. It gives you the imprint of the leaves on a lawn, for example. It's there to simulate the moonlight effect. We also give you some nylon ties to fix this to the actual branch with. The only thing we would say is perhaps check it every 6 months. We don't want to do any damage to the tree, but likewise we need to fix this quite securely. So just a mental note in the diary, go back after 6 months, you might have to take these off and replace them with others. It's also good for pole mounting. So if you have a pole in the garden, you might have a pole, we've done it on little putting greens before, where a pole's gone in, and we would actually mount this on the pole and then fix the light onto it, and that enabled us then to shine this down onto the putting area. So quite versatile. So 5 different mounting fixings, all going onto the single spotlight.